So you've got this new card, and it has a chip in it. What is it, and how does it work? The chip card, also known as an EMV card, works with chip-enabled terminals to provide a higher level of security against fraudsters. Please note, your credit card PIN will be sent by mail. Your debit card will include instructions to set up your PIN by phone. Let's get back to the chip. Your chip is a microprocessor that encrypts your card information and makes it more secure during transactions. How do you use a chip card? Instead of swiping, you insert your chip card into a terminal, chip first, face up. Don't remove it right away. The card must remain in the terminal until prompted to remove. RBFCU cards require a PIN. If the merchant asks you to sign or bypass the PIN, tell them to let you enter it. What if the merchant you're visiting doesn't have a chip card reader? While credit unions, like RBFCU, are providing these enhanced cards to their members, not all merchants have completed the transition. Your chip card still has a magnetic strip, so even if the merchant is not upgraded, you can still swipe your card as you would a non-chip card. At RBFCU, your security is our top priority. That's why we offer the latest in innovative technology to protect your accounts.